In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PDF from your laptop to your phone using WhatsApp. If you have a PDF saved on your laptop and you want to open it quickly on your phone, WhatsApp makes this really simple. You can do this either through WhatsApp Web in your browser or by using the WhatsApp desktop app. Both options work in a very similar way, so just use whichever one you already have available. To begin, open WhatsApp Web or the WhatsApp desktop app on your laptop and log into your account. Make sure you're fully signed in and that your chats have loaded before moving on. If you're using WhatsApp Web, this usually means connecting it to your phone first so your account appears on your computer. Once you're inside WhatsApp on your laptop, open a chat with yourself if that option is available. This is often the easiest way to transfer files between your own devices because the PDF stays in a private chat that only you can access. If you don't have a chat with yourself, you can also open a chat with a trusted contact instead. Just keep in mind that if you send it to another person, they'll receive the document too. After opening the chat, look for the attachment icon. Depending on the version of WhatsApp you're using, this may appear as a paperclip icon or as a plus symbol. Click that icon to open the file sharing options. From the menu that appears, select Document. This is important because choosing Document sends the PDF as a file rather than as an image or some other format. That helps preserve the original quality and makes the file easier to download and open properly on your phone. Next, browse through the files on your laptop and choose the PDF you want to send. Take a quick moment to confirm that you've selected the correct file, especially if you have multiple PDFs with similar names. Once you've selected it, click Send. After the file is sent, pick up your phone and open WhatsApp. Go to the same chat and you'll see the PDF there waiting for you. From that point, you can tap it to open it, preview it, download it, or share it elsewhere on your phone if needed. That's all it takes. This is a quick and reliable way to move a PDF from your laptop to your phone without using email, cables, or extra apps.